butter on it. It looks like a fish. Just try some of the tomato salsa. I'm allergic.
Oh, it don't stop. Look, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Wait, put telly on, please. Put telly on, Thomas.
Baltos. Are you?
Leaving.
Yeah, I've got a note from my mum. Yeah, tomato ketchup on your chips.
Go away.